Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To begin with, the structure of the technical pattern for the Australian dollar has now challenged the 75.80 objective and now questions whether we can go lower. Today, though, we do have the Australian data release to its latest jobs report, and secondly, the US dollar index has remained still questionably to the weak performance that may continue. Therefore, we could see a decline towards 75, 25, 35, with 60 being minor. Do be a little bit on your guard though, because we are getting to the lower side of the range, and it is viewed from the RSI point that the market, when it got down towards this region around 7 on the axis, staged a recovery. So I'm not overly bearish now as we've got to the objective of 75.80, and I'm still looking for a possible rebound. So do be on your guard, with immediate resistance coming in at 76.20.35. Well, with the US dollar slipping further overnight, the euro rallied up towards 118.50.70. Now questions, was it a rejection? At this point, I would say yes. Now, with immediate target coming in at 117.55, a break beneath 116.90 would give further weakness and look back towards the 116, 115 region. But we still need to see a turn in the US dollar. Now, that level comes in at 94.25. Clearing there would give further scope to the upside, but that's still quite a long way because the market is trading at the moment at 93.55. So we shouldn't discount further challenges to the upside, but from the rejection last night is a bit of a clue that the market is struggling slightly to this rally. The dollar yen case failed to hold at 112.80 and now questions whether the market can actually fall slightly further. From what I can gather is that from the technical point is the market is weak. So we could still see a move towards the downside with immediate support coming in at 112.55 and then towards 112.30.35 and reassess from there. Any advances on the day should find resistance around 113.15 and firmer towards 113.85 to 115.55.70. The pound outlook still remains unchanged and still holding a neutral view, due to the fact there is little indication from the technical point. Therefore, we could see maybe another upside challenge towards this downtrend, but still looking for better opportunities to put levels on for the market. And at the moment, support comes in at 131.25 and then 130.70. Well, the gold rejects the level at 12.88 again overnight and falls a whopping $14. I'm still a buyer on dips though. From the report yesterday, I'm looking from 76 to 70 as a base, and I do expect to see a recovery and re-challenge that top side and take it out and move towards 1,300 eventually on the broader picture. And to wrap up with oil, well, the market, since the heavy sell-off, still holds to those negative picture with 54.70 as a target, and the resistance comes in now at $56.50. From the technical implications, you can still see that the market is supportive for a further sell-off. So I'm not a buyer yet, and I am a seller on rallies. So that wraps up today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead of us.